Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 200 divided by 10 plus in the second parenthesis 12 multiply 3. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here we have one parenthesis, one addition, and one another parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis, then we have to solve addition. But here we have two parentheses, both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this parenthesis, then we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So is equal to 200 divided by 10 is equal to 20 plus in the parenthesis 12 multiply 3. Now solve this parenthesis. Okay, 20 plus 12 multiply 3 is equal to 36. So now 20 plus 36 is equal to 56. Okay, so the correct answer is 56. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.